paused for, bro. What are you seeing?
289 to Hurley.
They are fucking renovating
Please
this
hold on
garage,
to the
man.
handrails when the bus is
They're actually
moving.
renovating it. Like the bus is here, bro. They're becoming proper. Because when you compare it to this shit, yeah, look how fucking tacky and fucking ugly this thing fucking looks. In comparison, bro. Just fucking look at it, man. How can anyone be fucking satisfied riding this thing? I'm so glad, yeah, that they're turning literally every bus electric. Like, they are way more attractive than these old fucking
Croydon
bangers.
Crematorium.
I don't even know why I used to like them, bro. Like, serious thing. Serious fucking thing. They look so ugly. Like, what's up with all them grey walls, and then you got the random, like, all these grey fucking suits, this ugly flooring, you know, and then all of a sudden you've got this, like, pale fucking looking wall with this dark, ugly blue. Like, bro, this is another thing I want to see at end on buses too as well. See these sidewalls that they do, where they do like this pale colour with this repetitive pattern. That's fucking ugly. They need to get rid of that. Make all the walls on the fucking bus the same colour or something. Not just this.